All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Expedition. It is the limited edition. It's beautiful white with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, navigation, roof racks, heated seats, cooling seats. Super nice. Only 17,000 miles on this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks pretty damn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty damn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Does seem to have some scuffings. I wouldn't really call it curved, but it is scuffed. I'll say 10 or more. Tire thread is over 8/32 right there. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. And likewise, like the other one, it is a little bit scuffed up all around. But I wouldn't say they're gouged or curbed. Tire thread is under 7/32, but above 4. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. There's a nice shot out here of your sunroof. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat with memory. There's a nice shot of your sunroof and what that looks like. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Here's a push start system. Oh, hitting the wrong button. Oh, it does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Still wrapped up in this package. Check out pictures for more details. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Got your well, right now you got your climate control right there. Boom. Let's see. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system. Boom. And you got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated seats and cooling seats. Very nice. 4x4 action. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see the lights on, except for I need some gas. And there's your mileage of 17,727. All right. Turn on the lights. Keeping it moving. Keeping it moving. Here's, of course, your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest. Of course, you got your AC controls. You got your heated seats back here. Pow. All right. Here's what your your third row looks like. Pretty nice. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Got rear running ACs as well. Coming around. Rear bumper has a heavy scratch here, about 3 inches. Another heavy scratch here, about 6 inches. All right. Got this one here opens up, very nice. Boom. All right. And then this is a powered door, which lifts up very smoothly. Of course, you got your rear trunk space and what that looks like. These seats do fold down. Got a little power thing that closes that. Got a little power thing that moves these chairs. I'll do this one just so you guys can see. Well, yeah, I'll do the other one too. Left and right. And I forgot to put the headrest, so it's gonna stop. Anyway. All right. Boom. Boom. This bad boy up here. Boom. Touch this little button. Boom. Alright, that closes that. And this quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Likewise, got some scuffings on the rim, but I wouldn't say it's gouged at all or curved up. Here you got under 7/32, but above 4. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good there. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. There's a powered seat as well. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. And your tire thread is over 7/32. It is scuffed up as well. So all 4 tires are scuffed up, but they're not beat up. All right. All lights are working, folks. Once again, sorry, 1 second. And we're back on. All lights are working, as you can see there. I forgot, I didn't know how to turn on the fog lights. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Ford Expedition, limited edition with 17,000 miles. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.